singa ni dai.
Gabano lo mani kene go bo uranga no guyam bana kana ma o kadi me kana ndo mo bo uranga gene mani ndame ndame bo uranga e me bega ni mo sorraw ni ngalobi me rega ndo no gene bo no kene muri gatu
I'm very glad to be here with you this morning to open the newly rebuilt Nakorotumbu Community Police Post, which will serve around 7,000 Fijians here and in the surrounding area. As Fiji braces for the impact of tropical cyclone Nyasa, it is no small wonder as to why it was so important that we took the time to rebuild this new post to cyclone resilient standards. We anticipate the worst of Cyclone Nyasa will begin striking Fiji from tonight. Starting here in the Western Division, from their south, we can expect heavy rains, flooding in low-lying areas, and landslides. All roads on Viti Levu will be closed from tonight. To the members of the police unit here, along with your fellow officers around the country, are likely already getting calls from communities unsure about whether it is safe to travel. Unless directed to evacuate by disaster authorities, everyone should be encouraged to stay home, stay off the roads, and stay out of floodwaters and stay safe. As officers of the law, you are each entrusted with the safety and security of all Fijians. Threats to our people's well-being come in many forms: violent crimes, reckless drivers, severe weather, and most recently in the form of COVID-19. During Fiji's short but serious outbreak of the virus, we look to our police officers and other members of our discipline forces to enforce the hard but necessary measures to stop the spread of the virus early on, including our lockdowns of the greater Suva and Lautoka areas. Because of the decisive collective effort, Fiji is a COVID-contained country. To keep it that way, the police must continue to enforce our COVID-safe measures, including the nationwide curfew. Until a vaccine is widely available, we must keep our vigilance and keep Fijians safe by diligently enforcing our health protection measures. Here in Namarai village, we see clearly that the role of our police is not confined to the urban areas. We do not want our cities and major population centers to be the only place where Fijians can live decent, productive lives. We need our laws enforced everywhere that our people call home and do business. And as we look to make peri-urban and rural areas in Fiji more livable, investments in good policing provide the foundation of security that every community needs to thrive. And we have raised the salaries of police constable from $9,000 a year in 2006 to between $16,000 and $18,000 annually today for that very reason. This Nakorotumbu Community Police Post has served this community since the late 1990s. But the impact of Super Cyclone Winston not only took out the old police building as a direct result, it risks cutting Fijians off from the protection that the police provide. Such is the cruel nature of climate change. Its impacts can sever pigeons from the services they count on. The duty of care that officers owe every Fijian is precious, and you do indeed owe that duty of care to every Fijian, regardless of who they are, regardless of where they live, and regardless of their status in society. Nabita sa kananggang kanyo po sa may mamatay 2000 na police post ang boy na maray, nasa walyo.
And then the checking go, the official law. Musuh talaga na keke. Zona keke po yan lang kaya na long mani station go.
Station sa. Tapos na lang may center.
Station. Labing nga mata, labing nga. Hop, kari, tamba.